Okay, this is our working prototype. We have demo some of the water and we have the Grafana updating in real time. This is also the email. It says 26.4. The status is safe. It updates frequently. Okay. Now we will be adding the water. Okay, we have filled the water. The previous Grafana was 26.4. Now it is 18.3.
So as you can see, it will take some time for the email. Okay,
Yeah.
so as you can see the email now, distance is 13.1, is updated to the real time status, and the status right now is careful, which is between the 10 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Okay. Okay, right now we will enter the warning state, which is between the distance between the sensor and the water is between 0 until 10 centimeter. Okay, adding water.
Okay, now we have added the water. Now it has updated to 9.7.4 now.
Okay, for the 7.4, it's already the warning state. So we can see the email right now. It shows that the distance is 7.8 and the status is warning. Okay, so right now we will focus on the critical state, which is when the water detected by the water sensor. So enter the water right now. Okay, as you can see, the water already reached the water sensor, and you can hear from the buzzer, it's already ringing. And then you can see now the distance is 3.4 centimeter from the water sensor, and this is the status of water alert. Okay, right now is 2:26, and this is the updated one. It show that the critical state, which is when the water already reached the critical moment. Okay, this is the email. It show that the critical when the flood is already here, when the water did reach the water sensor. Hi, my name is Muhammad Haikal and I'm a group member of this group project. So based on the experience upon completing this project, I learned a lot of things, especially knowledge related to Internet of Things. Currently, I'm on final year project 2, which required to hands-on to the hardware and software. So during this project, I'm able to improvise my skill and gain more knowledge, especially on Node-RED, which is our main software platform. In short, I gain a lot of benefit which can implemented in my future IoT project.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ifashami bin Muhammad Sazni, and I am one of the member of this group. Based on my experience from doing this project is I able to learn more about IoT. For your information, I am currently in my final year and my project also involved in IoT field. So by doing this project, I am able to learn more on how to use the software that is related to the IoT, especially the InfluxDB and also the Grafana. So I think it might be useful for my FYP project in the future.
Assalamualaikum, madam. My name is Muhammad Hakimi from Data Communication. So from this project, I learned something new involved IoT project. It is quite fun and also challenging. I know how to create a dashboard and make a database using Grafana and InfluxDB. I also learned how to use the Raspberry Pi and code using a Node-RED. My friends really helped me to understand better from this project. So I think this knowledge will definitely be very useful for me in the future.
Hello, my name is Iman Zarif bin Nurfazli and I'm going to talk about my experience on working on the project. Due to the recent severe cases of floods happening around Malaysia, we thought about creating a system that can help warn Malaysians about an incoming flood near their house. Some of the victims were caught off guard and only realized their house was flooded when the water was already around the height of their knees. At that point, there was not much they can do to move stuff or get to safer areas. I was involved in doing the InfluxDB and Grafana. It was interesting to create the database to connect the Raspberry Pi. I also enjoyed designing the graphic representation in Grafana because there's so many ways to customize it. Overall, it was a good learning experience and I can use the knowledge I learned for my future. Also, hopefully one day I can create a more sophisticated system to help warn Malaysians of floods.